Morning guys, welcome back. Yeah, down at my favourite little place, Trentham Gardens this morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you've not been on the channel before, I'm Danny Mac. And the plan is to go and try and do some macro photography around Trentham Lake. So I've got handheld, I've got a flash on, I've got a reflector on the flash. You'll see it all when we're out and about. But that's my plan. So there might be there'll be fewer photographs, but hopefully they might be of some quality. So I'm still using my little GoPro. I've got it here in front of me, so we'll see how that goes, and let's see if I can create some nice images. Hey, keep smiling, you know what I'm saying. See you later, guys. See, I've looked down now because I'm controlling my GoPro through my phone. Tell you what, technology can't whack it. See you. Hi guys, welcome back. So, we've arrived at Trentham and we are in the process of just wandering around the lake, hoping to get some macro shots. I've just got one or two nice shots that I might... No, I was going to try and show me on the camera, but I'll make a pig's ear of it. So that'll come at a later date when I know how to do it. So yeah, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get them with the flash and without a flash, and changing the settings to suit. I've got a macro lens on, Canon 100 macro. But if you're handheld, you need to push it. It's a Canon 100, so I need to handheld at least 125. 125th of a second, just to try and avoid any shake, but I am also trying to rest it on the floor. So the ones I'm taking without a flash, I'm trying to reduce my shutter speed as much as possible, but we'll see how it goes. Hey, we're all learning, aren't we? We're all learning. So what can I say? I'll see you in a minute. Keep smiling on. Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, just wandering actually at the moment, just having a wander around by the lake and seeing what I can find. Macro photographies I find really difficult, but I have to keep trying, see if I can make any improvements. So every now and then I'll get my macro lens on and I'll come out and have a go. I should do more of it really, but I do enjoy the wildlife side, so it's really finding that balance between the two. What I want to do. I'm also desperate to do some landscape, but all these different genres of photography mean all different kinds of techniques, which obviously I'm slow to learn. You know what I'm saying? Keep smiling. But hey, never mind. Let's just do what we do, and we'll see how it goes, eh? Because what can I say? We've just got to keep trying, see where we end up. Keep smiling, guys. See you later. Visitors coming here, a couple of black swans, really nice. They'll be coming here for brownie food. That's the reason they'll come. Looking for food. Here they go, look. Even asking for it. I'll just let you enjoy them for a minute or two. Beautiful, beautiful creatures. Good. Hi guys, welcome back. Just setting up for a new shot here. Some beautiful cyclamen. I've got down to ground level and I've tried it with my flash, and I'll try it without, but I'll just show you the image now before I take it. That's what I'm going to try and do. Let's see what happens. Speak to you soon. The next one I set up, I'll try and show you as I'm setting it up to give you some idea of what I do. And then, of course, everybody can tell me where I'm going wrong, which is exactly what I want. Because if I don't find out where I'm going wrong, I'm not going to get it right, am I? So, I do. So, hopefully, we'll, the next setup, I'll try and show you as I'm doing it. If I'm setting myself up for fail straight away. I'll try and show you as I'm doing it, and then we'll see how it goes. Hey, keep smiling, know what I'm saying? See you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I'm getting towards the end of the lake walk now. I've managed to get one or two nice shots which I'm pleased with, but I haven't managed to keep you sort of in the loop while I've been doing it, because that's been quite difficult. So again, practice makes perfect, so we'll get there in the end. But a bit more of the lake to do, and then round the Italian gardens, and that's me. But hopefully it's been successful. Look after yourselves and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm just walking now the head of the lake. Behind me up there you've got the Italian gardens, which are really nice, and then if I just swing myself round here, you've got the lake behind me, which is a lovely place. That's the lake I've just wandered around looking for macro shots, what else I could find. And as you can see, if I flick that way now, you've got the Italian gardens up there, so it is a lovely place. But I actually think I've come to the end of the video now. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope that maybe we've got one or two shots. You never know, do you? I never know. I just keep doing it. Excuse me. But I think I've got one or two nice shots, which obviously I'll put on in between video bits. I've got a little bit of B-roll that maybe will show the place a little bit, but in the main a good couple of 3 hours doing a few nice things, taking a few nice photos, having a lovely walk, plenty of peace and quiet. Just look at that there, really nice place. And then behind me you've got the statue of Ulysses, cut off the head of Medusa, if I remember rightly. Cut off the head of Medusa. But it's a beautiful thing. Look at that. I mean, it is really nice. Don't know if you got it then, but anyway. Right up there in the far distance, and if you can see at the end of the lake, up above the lake, is a statue of Lord Sutherland. And he owned all this land way back in the day. Now, obviously privately owned now, businesses run it, and that's the way it is. But yeah, I've had a great time, guys. Listen, do us a favour, click like and subscribe if you like it. If you don't, that's okay. Click the bell icon, that means you'll get a notification when I've done another one. There isn't a bell icon that says, for God's sake, don't give me notification if you've done another one. But please, I'm looking to get as many followers as possible, as you know. I will, without doubt, speak to you soon. So, until then, behave yourselves, keep smiling, bye for now.